Hey guys, what's up? It's the Raging Rhydon, and today we are going to be looking in this mystery box of ultimate goodness. So, in this box, I've been looking through it. I bought it off of eBay for I think $17, $20, and this is all bulk. I did manage to find a Zygarde Holo, a Dudene, this fancy looking Pop Series, probably really fake Metagross. Hopefully it's fake because it's like bent. If it's not fake, I'm gonna be annoyed. And this Tropical Beach card, guys, tell me if that anyway is rare or worth something. It looks cool, so I'm gonna take it. And then I think this is it's a Shatter Holo, just like the Zygarde. I think it's from a deck as well, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. And I just wanted to keep going with the box because I did find a bunch of bulk. So I want to see what's in the box because this must have the really good stuff. So let's just keep going through it. Alright, let's see here. It has a sleeve. It has a reverse. So let's grab a whole stack right here. Let's go from back. So we got Tepig. Nobody breaks in. Have Torchic, Growlithe, Charmander. Ooh, that's a cool Torchic. I'm gonna be going kind of fast because we got lots to go through. That's a cool Exceligor, Shelmet, Tropius. Ooh, okay, that's shiny and super cool. Not the best condition, but it's a holographic Quilladon. I will take it. Let's see. We have Chespin to go with Quilladon. I have a reverse rare Shiftry. Definitely would take it. And we have some World Series cards. I don't care about those. Let's take out another stack right here. We have... Okay, there we go. Black Kyurem EX. That is really nice card. Put that to the side, definitely. Have another Tropius. Weedle. Metapod. I'm just kidding. Servine. Snivy. Wormadam. Ha! Wormadam! More like I don't... Yeah, I can't say that. This is a family-friendly website. So, yeah. Just kidding. We got Deerling. Shuckle. Old Shuckle. Yeah. Shuckle should be the best Pokemon of all time. Even though he can hit the strongest if you do it correctly. Oh, God. Carnivine, he's coming to get you. Just kidding. Oh, there's another Quilladon. Weedle. Another Quilladon. We got... Whoa! Okay. That's super cool. Wait, whoa. Seismitoad. That is a Japanese card. That is super duper cool. I'm like, that doesn't look Korean. Nope, it's Japanese. That's like, see before. Tell me what, guys, this set is from. Okay, let's see. My hopes up because it was in the sleeve. Okay, yeah, I guess all the good stuff is in this area then. Let's keep going. We got a Dance Age. Oh, someone took a bite out of the Shroomish. I'm so sorry, Shroomish. At least this Shroomish is fine. Got a Chespin. Weeping Bell. Reverse Enemies. Lotad. If I miss any cards that might be rare, tell me in the comments below, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and always leave comments. That way we can keep making videos. Channel will keep growing. Sooner or later, we'll be better than Unlisted Leaf. No, I'm just kidding. Well, probably better. But it's a thought. Oh, God. Just grab some cards. Stupid divider. There we go. We got, ooh, a holographic Manaphy. I like this Manaphy. I think it's kind of playable. Put that to the side. Let's move some more bulk. Look at this. There we go. What else? Metal Energy. Energy. Okay, so we got some energies here. Ton of energies. Just energies after energies after energies after energies. What do you know? Another energy. Alright. Ooh, a Hollow Medicham. That's super cool. Have a... Ooh, McDonald's Froakie. Yeah, I'm trying to collect these McDonald's cards. They're pretty cool. Have a Special Energy. Double colorless. More energies, probably. Yeah. More energies. Yeah, I really need to get a stand for this, guys. Okay, nothing happened while you fell on the floor. Let's keep going. Have a... Ooh, that is a black and white Samurott. Who is that? Whoa, this is a cool card. It's awesome. I'm putting that aside. We have energy, energy, energy. Probably a ton of energies again. Oh, was that an energy? Yeah, it was an energy. Shady energies. Almost the leaf energies. All over the place. No more energies? Ugh. Okay. That was way too many energies for me. Even for me, if you know what happened with my deck at Psycho Turtle, which I'd be surprised if you did. Put in like 30 energies in my deck. Oh, there go all the cards. So, ooh, okay. Nice Radiant Collection. Gardevoir, put on that to the side. You gotta be kidding me. I paid like $20 for some energies. Well, to be fair, it is get some pretty good cards. There's no... whoa. Okay. Diamond and Pearl Holographic Magnezone. That is a promo card. Tell me where this is from, guys. That is super cool. Yeah. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Ooh, oh, this is Mew. I've been looking for this for such a long time. But make sure to comment, subscribe, like, and share. If you like the content, make sure to tell me so I know what kind of content to be making. Because so far, it looks like I should be making Skylander content. So if you guys want to change that, then comment on this. We only have like one comment. No, guys. That is not enough. Ooh, a Tropical Beach. I'll take it. Alright, and we're finishing it up right now. See, end of the box. Right. Ooh, okay, we got a Hollow Latios. We have some level balls, Pokeballs. Okay, but these cards, there's not going to be anything rare. Just flicking them everywhere. Okay, this is kind of playable. Rough Seas, the stadium card. I'm actually going to put that to the side. Sodas. What's in here? Ooh, okay. Oh. Oh, no. A Behem Break. That's pretty cool. What do we got? Escape Rope. Ooh, okay, Pokemon Center Lady. That's really good. Some professors. Shauna's teammates. Blah, blah, blah. There's nothing. Maxie's Hidden Ball Trick. Okay, I've never seen that. N. That is a nice artwork for N. Like that. More ends. A repeat ball. Shadow Megaphone. Acro Bike. And that's it. So guys, tell me if you enjoyed the video. It's probably a good thing that I cut out the rest of it because it was all bulk. So yeah, until probably the best pull was probably the Seismitoad. Yeah, Seismitoad. So, probably in the best condition. So, yeah. I guess just tell me what you think the best poll here was. If you like these kind of videos, tell me. I might do some more of them. If you like Skylander videos, tell me. Of course, tell me what you guys want to see. Want to see KK Cash more? Do like Nerf videos. Whatever you guys want to see, comment below. I will definitely recommend it, even if it's something we don't usually do. And I guess that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!